Hi and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to calculate descriptive statistics about an array in Python. Using NumPy, we can easily calculate statistics such as the mean, variance, and standard deviation. Functions that can be used for this purpose are mean to calculate the average, var to calculate the variance, and std to calculate the standard deviation. Let's now go to practice. In this exercise, we are going to use three functions, mean, var, and std. First, we need to import the NumPy library. As an example, we are going to create a sample array using the function array from NumPy. To calculate the mean, we are going to use the function mean. As you see, this function returns the average of all values in our array. To calculate the variance, we are going to use the function var. As you see, this function returns the variance of all values in our array. To calculate the standard deviation, we can use the function std. As you see, this function returns the standard deviation of all values in our array. Notice that we can get descriptive statistics about the whole array, similar to what we have done so far, or we can do calculations along a single axis using the argument axis. For example, we can calculate the mean value in each row using this code. Or, we can calculate the mean value in each column using this code. With this, we finished the video, where you learned how to calculate descriptive statistics about an array in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.